Are you tired of guessing how AI chatbots describe your brand? Learn how to see your exact AI brand narrative in Semrush in under 2 minutes. I'll show you the exact steps to access the AI brand narrative tracking feature, analyze a domain, and uncover the insights. Let's dive in. First, head to your Semrush folders. Then, click on the first highlight. Now, click on the second highlight. Next, select AI Brand Narrative Tracking. Click on the highlight that appears. Then, hit Analyze. Now, click on warbyparker.com. Finally, click on Insights to see the results. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.